Hey, isn't that Joe Saba? Joe. Hey, Joe Saba. Hey, come on in the studio, man. How you been doing? Are you still doing sound effects?
Yeah.
Hey, everybody, this is Joe Saba. This guy does over 100 sound effects. Joe, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, man, you know what? You got to do some sound effects on this album we're working on. It's called Racetracks 2.
Cool. When do you want to do it?
How about right now, right here in the control room? Will you do that airplane for us?
Yeah. That's the Cessna 172. And I'll see if I can do the Doppler effect. Now, here he is landing.
Whoa! All right. Man,
that's great.
Sounds good. Man, that's great. Can you do another airplane for us?
Sure. Let's say this is the fighter plane flyby.
1-1 to 1-2. 1-2 to 1-1. I'm 1 mile out. 600 knots, 500 feet. Roger, I got you inside.
Oh, man. That is sight. Right on.
Hey, since this is a racing album, why don't you do the sound of a race car?
You bet. This is a stock car. Now, I'm going to do them at Speedway, where the cars are passing by at like 200 miles an hour. And then we'll ride inside the car and spin out and hit the wall. Now, here you are driving in the car. You spin out, your tail hits the wall, then your nose hits the wall.
That's it. Yep, that's it. Man, I love it. Hey, before you go, you got to do one more for us, okay?
Sure, I'll do my favorite one, I think, is the 18-wheeler. Now, this has a Jake brake and air brakes.